I request all our guests to please be seated. A very good evening to each one of you present here for the Sixer for a Cause. A very warm welcome at the grand finale for Sixer for a Cause, powered by the Pinnacle Group in association with Times of India and Pune Warriors India. The IPL fever has indeed completely gripped the city. The 2-month-long cricket carnival, which was launched on 2nd April, is now at the peak of its popularity. Pune Warriors India, Pune's own IPL team, having its own brand new stadium, is certainly riding this wave of excitement. But while we indulge in this pastime, the harsh realities in our state do persist. The reality of drought in the major areas of Maharashtra. The severity of the drought has seriously affected the livelihood of thousands of farmers. The drought has had a manifold effect, that is, the loss of employment, increase in financial burden, and inability to maintain livestock, and so on and so forth. Though this grim picture is beyond our sight, it's not beyond our conscience. To extend a helping hand to the drought-hit farmers is certainly the need of the hour. We at Times of India, having identified this need, launched an initiative to do just that. To ride the excitement of IPL and raise funds for the cause, and thus was born the idea, Sixer for a Cause. Pinnacle Group, a leading construction house from the city, came forward to take up this noble cause with a promise to contribute rupees 6,000 for every sixer hit by Pune Warriors India. Yes, deserves a big round of applause. And as the sixers started mounting, so did the start and the flow of funds. And once again, I welcome you all for the grand finale of this unique initiative. And this wouldn't have been possible without each one of you present here. Ladies and gentlemen, give a wonderful and a big round of applause as we kickstart with this evening. At the outset, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Samir Wagh from the Times of India to please come up onto the stage. I'd like to invite our first guest, Mr. Sunandan Lele, a senior sports journalist. Give him a big round of applause as he comes up to the stage. He is a renowned sports journalist and he's been following Indian cricket for the last 25 years. Mr. Lele has covered 100 test matches and more than 200 one-day international matches in India. He has covered 3 World Cups and 3 T20 World Cups till date. He has covered the Indian team's test match series in all cricket-playing nations across the globe. A feature achieved by no other journalist, this achievement of his has also been recognized by the BCCI. Sir, a very warm welcome and thank you for gracing the occasion. Give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I'd now like to invite on stage Mr. Rashid Khan from Pune Warriors India. He is on his way and will be joining us shortly. Will allow me to introduce our next guest. I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Gajendra Pawar, the CMD of Pinnacle Group, a leading real estate construction from Pune. Mr. Pawar started his journey from humble origins. He worked his way up through sheer hard work and business dynamism in creating the Pinnacle Group within the span of 20 long years. He is certainly a strong and a successful businessman with strong social ethos. His drive to be at the forefront of philanthropy for many causes sets him apart. A very good evening to you, sir. I'd also like to introduce and welcome Mr. Abhijit Farke and Mr. Sanjay Patspor, and I request them to please come up onto the stage. They are from the Apulki team. Apulki is an NGO formed to strengthen Indian farmers. They definitely deserve a bigger round of applause. Come on, we can do a great job. It's not easy to run and function for a cause. Was founded in the year March 2012 and is currently more than 13 farmers are attached to Apulki. Is the first NGO who exhibited farmers' produce directly at international platforms. It is indeed a great and a noble cause. And I'd also like to invite Mr. Chandrakant Darvi onto the stage. Give him a big round of applause. Well, his introduction is a little unique. He was the collector of the city of Pune, and the highlight, he's been known to complete pending cases. He's been known to doing the zero pendency of cases and daily disposal, which rarely happens when it comes to the functioning, and currently is the settlement commissioner for the state of Maharashtra. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give all our dignitaries a very warm welcome through a thundering round of applause. And thank you so much, Mr. Bal, for doing the honors.